Moving average. So, paano ko ba ginagamit yung moving average sa pagtitrade ko using price action? So, ang ginagamit kong moving average is yung exponential. So, meron din tayong simple and weighted. Yung exponential, mas sensitive siya sa price. So, ang ginagamit ko, 20 and 50 EMA. So, paano ba kinakalculate to? So, kinakalculate niya yung past 20 closing price nung, let's say, 20 candlestick kung 20 EMA yung ginagamit nyo. Kapag 50 naman, past closing price nung 50 candlestick. Okay, so ginagamit ko to as dynamic support and resistance lang. So added confluence siya dun sa main support and resistance ko, which is horizontal support and resistance. So dito sa example na to, itong blue moving average, ito yung 20, and then yung orange is yung 50. As you can see dito, meron tayong previous resistance na break, nag-act as support. Andyan din yung 20 and 50 moving average. So, ibig sabihin, merong confluence. Now, kapag meron akong ganito, mas magkakaroon ng high conviction yung trade ko kasi meron siyang confluence. So, hindi ko to ginagamit to gauge the market trend, but ginagamit ko to as dynamic support and resistance. And also, remember na laging to, so don't solely rely dito sa moving average as your support and resistance level. Okay?